Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access your air filter on a 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit. This is got the 1.6 liter diesel in it. It's pretty easy. There's just 4 clips on each corner, 2 on top and 2 on bottom, but mine is missing the 2 on the bottom, so I'm just going to show you how to unlatch these 2 on the top here. Alright, and then this whole piece here will come off. And it might be easier to kind of bring the filter off with it. And there we go. So now you can go ahead and check your filter and replace it if you need to. And to put it back on, I'm going to put the filter back in there and slide this back into place. Make sure the filter is positioned correctly, and then snap these clips back over. And if they fall off, they just slide into these slots here on that side. And there you go.